Why the nitrogen system is so important. Methanol as fuel. Designing systems for methanol-fueled ships means dealing with safety in a more structured and controlled way. The design philosophy is driven by the main hazard of this alternative fuel. A low flash point of only 12 degrees able to easily turn leakages into explosive vapors. For this reason, the nitrogen system is the most important safety systems in methanol-fueled ships. Nitrogen is an inerting gas able to prevent flames by reducing the oxygen content. It is produced in the nitrogen room, where components such as compressors, membranes, and pressure vessels are installed. The nitrogen system has three main purposes. Blanketing, the continuous inerting process for fuel tanks. Inerting components such as annular spaces, connection blocks, and others. Purging pipelines for maintenance operations. The design process involves several factors that must be properly assessed. For example, specific fuel oil consumption must be evaluated in order to determine the required nitrogen production for blanketing. The HIMO Circular 1621 established strict requirements for nitrogen systems, such as inert gas must be permanently available on board, to allow at least one full trip from port to port, and to keep tanks inerted for at least 2 weeks in harbor with minimum consumption. And produced nitrogen must not exceed an oxygen content of 5% by volume. Designing a nitrogen system is not an easy task, and an incorrect design can lead to major issues, especially if problems are identified during the assembly or commissioning phase. At Flowazur Consulting, we develop feasibility studies for alternative fuels supporting shipyards and ship owners, also during the basic engineering phase, to reduce project risk and simplify the engineering process. Flowazur Consulting, where complex systems are made to work at sea. Reach us at flowazur.com.